What are you doing?
Oh yeah, okay.
Once these furballs decide they don't like you, you'll be cancelled just for existing.
What are you doing?
This is exactly the art of turning someone else's annoyance.
Kenny.
Sure, this is a hassle, but it's quite worrying if they stop causing these chaos.
I hate you so much! No!
Social distancing while being social, huh?
Printy! Printy!
When you hear that, though, what will you take to your next relationship that you already
You
have?
need to hit me.
Looks like there's always a physical. Just a furball on the path to reaching the level of professional dexterity.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
What are you up to, you shadow gremlin? Sometimes these furball got spooked by their own mischief. Someone's scouting for prey just to make their jump. Without these brawls, the house would feel like it's missing something, wouldn't it?
Oh my god!
Looks like his favorite spot needs some exercise to sit on. Happily doing their own thing like this.
A violent creature filled with hateful thought.
Or extroverts, turning playtime into a party. When you're on the highest perch but can't escape the clingy kid.
Most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature.
But cute fish from the sea. Look at its swim style. Seems a bit tough now. Okay. If If I were that guy, I'd just sit like that too. Looks so chill.
Sure.
Cats love
Painful lesson for flattering herself. Looks like someone woke up on the wrong side of the bed. When you are told to reset your what takes you lots of effort? This is what you get when you sneak out without finishing your Gotta have 6-packs to make your crush reconsider. There are rumors about gray cats being bought. When your massage technique decides what your wife will A valuable lesson for the poor pup about territory. It's like she's ballet running toward her mom on tiptoe. These guys came to.
This might be the only acceptable and cutest form of animal testing. This is a giant furry caterpillar that loves eating vegetables and is especially doesn't really matter whenever thirsty. When there's only one cardboard box in the house, war is avoidable. While playing around, you suddenly realize how looks like me starving.